Naninibago ba ka na we are born to love nature? It's in our DNA. Aminan! Pero karon, most kids spend less time outside than listeners. In her book, Losing Eden, Lucy Jones explains that humans are genetically wired to connect with nature. Biologist E.O. Wilson even calls it the biophilia hypothesis, ang gugma sa kalibutan natural ang nakasulat sa atong genes. Pero karon, shocking kayo, 3 out of 4 kids sa UK spend less time outside than prisoners na required pagyud by the UN to have at least 1 hour outside daily. So unsa di pasabot ana? Kung kulang og nature, kulang punta sa growth, both body and mind. Nature is not just a view, it's who we are. Make time to connect with nature for our health, children, and soul.